in the Federation of State Medical Boards, I think this was the fall of 2021, came out with a very threatening letter to physicians. Basically, we all received this in the mail. If you provide misinformation about the COVID-19 vaccine, you could lose your license that you worked so hard for. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but it was a very threatening letter, putting into place this idea that we're not supposed to question anything. And how ridiculous is that? Science is built on a foundation of questioning things, right? And we had just rolled out a brand new platform vaccine product, a brand new shot with unknown long-term consequences to it, right? So how crazy is this? But they wanted to silence us. And then the last few years, the medical world has really experienced this silent kind of social taboo on asking anything or talking at all about COVID. Don't talk about it. It's just listen to what they tell you, do what they say, and don't talk about it. This idea that everyone has to be in lockstep with one another for making medical decisions, this idea that no one can really ask about what your thoughts are on something. And we have had pediatric practices firing patients for asking questions. We have had patients who come to us asking our professional opinion, then turn on us and report us to the regulatory agencies when we've given them a professional opinion. And colleagues saying, wow, we've really lost our freedom to speak, but everyone just sort of sitting there, not sure what to do. And this idea that we all have to stay safe and effective with a product that is brand new and that clearly has significant problems for some people who take it, significant adverse reactions, and even fatalities for the people who take it. But we're supposed to lie and say safe and effective. We have a CDC website that actually lists now myocarditis as being a problem related to the COVID-19 shots. The same website says fatalities are rare, but it has the word fatalities on there, but yet we're supposed to say safe and effective. And I know that it wasn't obvious to everyone at first, but we all agree, and our CDC director has even agreed, that the shots don't stop infection, they don't stop transmission, and they don't stop the spread. So why are we silenced, right? But the very idea that we're being silenced, when we're on the front lines of this, we shouldn't be silenced. Now, I do want to say for the record, I've never ordered this shot for a child. That data was clear from the outset. This should have been pulled. Thank you. And we all know this statement. This is a letter to a pediatrician. It's not me, but who wishes to stay anonymous for now. And this is a pediatrician who is not even in this state. It's a different state. This is happening across our nation. She was told that her behavior needed to improve. And by behavior, they meant you need to start saying safe and effective to parents when you're counseling them about the COVID-19 shots. And if you don't, we will fire you. So here's the letter. First paragraph, it says, you'll need to go back in and add appropriate goals as part of your commitment to adhere to improved behaviors. And they were specifically referencing her informed consent discussions with families about the COVID-19 shots. And then it continues. She has to agree to this. It says, I will support the company's policy to promote COVID-19 vaccination for all children, adolescents, and adult patients, consistent with the company's guidance by refraining from any derogatory comments of the safety and efficacy of the vaccine and presenting an attitude that is actively willing to administer the vaccine. And again, at no time in history have the people forcing others into compliance been the good guys. If you can name a time in history, I would love to hear it.